Wunmi Toriola, born 11 July 1988, is an actress, filmmaker, brand influencer, and CEO of WT Signature. Her walk of fame has seen her evolve through popular movies such as Isheshe Lagba in 2009, Ajewumi in 2012, and Queen Latifah in 2021. In her private life, she was married to a US-based Nigerian and has a son named Zion. The actress, who has mostly featured in Yoruba language movies, has written, produced, and featured in numerous movies. She has also won numerous awards. Here are some things you may not know about Nollywood actress Wunmi Toriola. Wunmi Toriola is a native of Ogun State, Nigeria, from the western region of the country, but was born and raised in Lagos. Coming from a strict and disciplined family of 4 children and a US-based father, Wunmi did not have the privilege to grow up with her mother, as she died when the actress was very young. However, her grandmother played a very important role in her upbringing and life in general. Her early education was strictly in Lagos State, Nigeria. She attended secondary school and subsequently went on to Lagos State University for a diploma certificate. Furthermore, she graduated with a Bachelor of Art degree from the University of Ilorin, although her dream was to either lecture or become a lawyer. She ended up developing a passion for the screen. Wunmi started her journey as an actress when she joined the Yoruba theatre group, Odunfa Caucus, which was led by Yinka Quadri, Taiwo Hassan, and Sonny Ali, among others. Wunmi was 21 in 2009 when she featured in Yoruba film Isheshe Lagba. Years passed, and the actress's career became even more noticeable as she featured in many movies. Nonetheless, her fame came in 2012 when she featured in Ajewumi. Some of her most renowned works are Alakada Reloaded and Queen Latifah, where she interpreted the role of Queen Latifah. Currently, she's known for interpreting her roles so well. The actress has also managed to worm her way into the heart of fans and colleagues alike. According to Wunmi Toriola, her career is at its peak now, as she gets up to 45 movie scripts in a month, and the pay is even better. In 2012, about 3 years after she began her professional acting career, Wunmi Toriola started a career as a producer with the release of her debut film, Ajewumi. More to this, she also explores the movie industry as a scriptwriter, famous for Adeda in 2021. As at this time, the Ogun State native is most noticeable for the production of no fewer than 18 movies. The actress is a businesswoman who has a series of businesses that include a skincare line and clothing and hair brand. Her skincare business kicked off in 2015 when the actress was in school, and by 2016 she had started selling online. According to her, she is interested in healthy skin and as such creates organic products and mixes ingredients that will not be detrimental to one's skin in the long run. As regards her clothing business, the highly acclaimed Nigerian actress attended the fashion school in 2017. This marked the beginning for her in a long journey to a clothing business known as WT Signature. At present, she owns a fashion store where she creates ready-to-wear outfits as well as starts sewing from scratch for people who have their materials. Apart from day-to-day clothes, the company also produces wedding dresses, among others. Still under WT Signature, a company where Wunmi maintains a position as the CEO, she sells hair. The acclaimed Yoruba actress was married to a US-based Nigerian whose name has been kept private. The couple got married in 2018, and before then, they had kept their relationship out of the media. Recounting how they met, the actress in an interview opened up that her husband saw her in a movie and chatted her via Facebook. She has attested to being a strict person, yet it did not take much convincing for her to agree to go out with him. But in 2023, she announced via her Instagram page that her marriage of 4 years had crashed. Although they have a son together and they are still co-parenting him in peace. Wunmi is notable for being a loud voice. This may have led to her being in controversial situations over the course of her entertaining career. One of her major controversies is her being accused of brutalizing her maid, Motorayo Aziz. In another controversy, she allegedly accused another actress, Toyin Abraham, of faking an engagement. More to this, her relationship with Toyin crashed when she claimed to have advised Abraham to work things out with her ex-husband, Adeniyi Johnson, in spite of their relationship trailing the wrong path. Wunmi later apologized to Toyin Abraham on social media, and everything has gone under the carpet. That's it for now on Wunmi Toriola. In case you know more, do drop it in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel, like, and click the notification button so you will be notified when we drop our next video.